eBallot 4 is an online voting software designed for private election campaigns that enables you to cast your vote in a safe, efficient, and simple process. After you get your credentials, then you can sign into your user account, which will display all the ballots you're eligible to vote on. Normally, each ballot has a start button next to them. If you become eligible to vote on a single ballot, or your organization is holding a single election, you will be taken to your ballot page directly after you sign in. Here you can cast your vote in the elections you care about for the candidates you want. On the right-hand side of your web page, you will notice the Instructions and Details tab. The Instructions tab will provide details on the vote, a letter from the management, or just a greeting from the organization. Each candidate lists their details on the Details tab next to their image to better inform your vote. In some cases, you may even select the option to abstain from voting. Review the question restrictions for each question very carefully. If the restriction is that your vote is required, then you will need to cast a vote. If it states you may only vote for one choice, then you cannot select more than one choice. Voting with eBallot 4 is engaging and stress-free, but it's important that you review your decisions to make sure that there's no mistake in your selections. Upon reviewing your vote, you have the option to edit your choices. If you wish to edit a selection, simply click on the Edit Selection link to the right of your selection. As a voter, you must review and select the Participate Consent box in order to vote. This is to acknowledge that the selections are yours and are correct. After submitting, you will see a display for the Voter Sign-Out page. This page will contain a message from the organization. Sometimes they'll highlight upcoming events, how to renew your membership, or simply thank you for voting. Additionally, it will list your unique confirmation number, the time and date you submitted your votes. You can even download a paper copy of your receipt. Each paper copy of your receipt does not include your name or login credentials for security purposes that sustain your anonymity. Any additional ballots that you can vote on will be listed on this page. Otherwise, you can click on Log Out to exit the voting system. Thank you for using eBallot to vote. We are committed to your election success.